Hi, I'm Professor Joanne Murray, nutritionist here at Premier Performance. Today, I'd like to talk to you about nitric oxide. So what is nitric oxide? Nitric oxide is made up of nitrogen and oxygen, and this is abbreviated to NO. Nitric oxide is produced from L-arginine, which is an amino acid. L-arginine is converted to nitric oxide by a family of enzymes in the body known as nitric oxide synthetases. L-arginine is known as a semi-essential amino acid in that the body normally produces it in adequate amounts, but supplementation may be required at times of poor nutrition or ill health. So what does nitric oxide do? Well, it's widely recognised as playing an important part in numerous physiological functions. It acts as a powerful neurotransmitter, also known as a chemical messenger, and it's responsible for transmitting information between cells in the body. But it's also produced by cells in the body to fight against disease. Nitric oxide signals blood vessels to relax, to dilate, and this helps maintain circulation. Therefore, nitric oxide plays a very important role in the cardiovascular system, where it's essential for good circulation and heart health. In fact, nitric oxide was first discovered as a signalling molecule in the cardiovascular system and was termed the miracle molecule, and this led to a Nobel Prize for the scientists that discovered this. And then since then, nitric oxide has been shown to be involved in many other body systems. It also acts to dilate the vessels in the lungs that carry blood to and from the heart, as well as playing an important role in regulating airway functioning by signalling the relaxation of the airways. In the brain, nitric oxide regulates blood flow and oxygenation, and is also involved in the control of movement. At physiological levels, nitric oxide also appears to have these neuroprotective properties in that it protects the nervous system from damage. It's also essential in learning and memory and is believed to be involved in social and emotional behaviour. Nitric oxide also plays a very important role in kidney function by ensuring blood flow to the kidneys, but also working to relax the muscles in the bladder that are involved in passing urine. This type of muscle is known as smooth muscle, and it works automatically without the animal being aware of it. Smooth muscle is also found in the lining of the gastrointestinal tract, and this muscle contracts and relaxes to ensure the passage of food and water through the digestive system, something that's also known as peristalsis. The immune system is also highly dependent on nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is produced by specialist immune cells and defends the body against bacterial and other microorganisms that can cause disease. Nitric oxide also regulates the immune responses within the animal and is also known to have an anti-inflammatory effect under normal physiological conditions, and it does so by controlling the release of various inflammatory substances involved in the inflammatory response. Nitric oxide has been the subject of thousands of research articles since it was first discovered. There's been a lot of work done to better understand the significant role that nitric oxide plays in the body and to ascertain its role in both maintaining health and preventing disease, as well as its potential for medical therapies. But much work still needs to be done, and research into this remarkable compound is still ongoing. Many of the products at Premier Performance have been developed to maintain optimal levels of nitric oxide in your horse's body. I hope you found this short video to be helpful in your understanding of the importance of nitric oxide, and thank you for listening.